Okay, let's try to solve these system equations. We see the numbers. Let's look at the x term. The first equation has x term 15x. The second equation has 14x. Well, let's look at the y term, 16y and 15y. So number gets too big. Either we use the elimination method or substitution method or get into big numbers. Probably we don't want to do that, right? So I'm going to show you another way of doing that. Let's call the first equation first. Let's call this equation 1. All right, so this equation 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the equation 1 to subtract equation 2. Let's see what we're getting. So 15x, I'm probably going to copy and paste. Then change the numbers, okay. We see this is 17 minus 16, so we get a 1. 16y minus 15y, we get a 1y. 15x minus 14x, we get a 1x. So we get this. So much easier, right? We get 15x, 15y. We get x plus y equals 1. Now, what we can do, we can multiply everyone with 15, right? We'll multiply 15, 15x, 15y, now 15. So we made the equation 3, basically. Now what do we do? Now we want to use equation 3 to minus equation 1. Let's copy paste equation 1 here. The equation 1 is a 15x and 16y and 17, right? Right. Oops, I don't want to do that. Right, I want to use a square, so this is the equation 2. So I want to use this equation, maybe let's do 2 minus 3. Let's do 2 equation 2 minus equation 3, right? So we use equation 2 minus equation 3, 15x minus 15x is gone. So we're basically applying elimination method. 16y minus 15y, that's just 1y. Then 17 minus 15, that's 2. So we get a y equals to 2 right away. Now plug back into x plus y. Remember x plus y equals 1. So x plus y is 2 equals to 1. Now move 2 to the other side. Have x equals to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So much simpler, right? So sometimes when we have a question, you know, we want to analyze a little bit. We don't want to get into solving right away. We want to analyze, you know, then maybe you'll find an easy way or shortcut to do it, like this question, right? I subtract equation 1 with a 2, then I get x plus y equals 1. Then I multiply every term with 15. Now I still apply for elimination method, but you see only 3 steps. So get into the solution. All right, that's this cute question. Keep asking questions, okay?